Have you ever seen a bird that looks like it came straight out of the age of dinosaurs? This is the Shoebill Stork, a massive bird with a giant shoe-shaped beak and an icy, piercing stare. It can stand completely still for hours, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. When it finally moves, it captures prey with deadly precision, from fish to even small crocodiles. With its strange mix of beauty and terror, the shoebill is one of nature's most extraordinary birds. Want to see more? Watch the full Shoebill Stork documentary now, available on my channel.